Hi, welcome to Simmery P. Today I'm going to share an easy Thai sheet pan curry on my What's for Dinner series. So first step, you want to pop your oven on 200 degrees C and we're going to start preparing all our veggies. So today I'm using pumpkin, some courgette, green beans, a red onion and a little bit of garlic powder because I don't have any fresh garlic. And I've got two options here. I've got a Thai curry, a green curry pot or a red massaman curry pot. So I'm going to do the red one today. So first step, just chop your pumpkin up. And this would also work if you wanted to use sweet potato. And even though it's called What's for Dinner, we're going to have it for lunch. And before I started filming, I've just boiled up a half a cup of brown rice. So that's sitting there with the lid on, waiting to toss in to this as well. So now I've got one red onion and I'm just going to peel this and slice it. So open your coconut milk. It's a good thing just to have it in the fridge overnight, so then the cream separates on the top. So I'm just going to put it in. You can either do this all on the tray and just toss everything together, or do it all in the bowl, but I'm just going to mix the coconut milk. I'm doing about 2 tablespoons, and I'm going to put my pot of curry paste, which is about, I think it's about 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'm just going to mix all that together before I pop it in. So I'm just going to scoop all that on to those pumpkin and onions. My trusty little red spatula. I've kind of made a mess and left it all in there. And I like using this garlic powder instead of fresh garlic. I find it just kind of gentler on my stomach. So I'm going to put a teaspoon of that in. Actually 2 teaspoons. That's quite loose and generous. I think a spatula or a spoon. So I'm just going to mix that so the curry paste is all over these vegetables. And I've got my large baking tray lined with paper. So I'm just going to place all of these harder vegetables in first. I'm going to roast these for 30 minutes and then we'll prepare our other veggies. So while that's cooking, let's move this mess out of the way. And I've got 1 courgette that I've washed, so I'm just going to chop this up. Because I want the courgette to be a little bit crispy, I'm not going to put it in with the pumpkin. I'm just going to put it in 10 minutes or 15 minutes before we're serving it. And then I've got a packet of green beans, so it's about 120 grams, and I'm just going to cut those in half. I've washed them, and then I'll toss those in as well. So I'm just going to pop them back in the bowl, ready and waiting. So the pumpkin's soft and cooked through, so I'm going to add the zucchini and the green beans now. If you like your greens really cooked, you can add them right at the beginning, but I prefer them a little bit crunchy. So I just add them and then cook it for another 10 minutes. So I just spread it back out. I just tossed it so it could get some of the sauce on top. But it's a very different kind of curry, but I love how fragrant it is. So I'm just going to pop this back in for another 10 minutes. Timer's going off, so our dinner is ready. Whew, that's really hot. I'm just going to turn my oven off. So that looks all crispy and lovely. And I'm going to toss the rice in now. So I've got, I said half a cup, but I'm actually going to put it all in. So that'll be about 1 cup of cooked rice. So let's toss all that in. I'd probably call it like a dry curry. But if you really wanted to add more coconut milk into it, you could. But I'm just going to serve this warm, like a salad. So that's my, before I go, sprinkle it with some sesame seeds. That's my red Thai pumpkin sheet pan. I'm going to come closer and show you. So there you have it. That's my easy Thai red sheet pan curry. It's a dry curry, so I hope you like it. Toss some more coconut milk if you really want to, but enjoy that with a little bit of salad. It's a great easy dinner idea and tastes delicious. You won't regret trying it or giving it a go. I'm going to go away and enjoy this now, and hit the like if you've liked my video today. Share it with a friend. Don't forget, try it and pop a little comment below, and I'll put some links to a few of my other ideas for dinner, and I'll see you next time. Bye.